Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to put text on top of the image in Photoshop. For 2A, step 1, select the text tool, horizontal tool, type area black and type anything. Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag it, hold Ctrl, middle, add a drop shadow. And again apply the same process for this image. Simply I copy this text, hold Alt or Ctrl Z for copy, duplicate, click and drag it for up, hold Ctrl, select this image, middle, hold Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.